Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Ananya, aka Dusky Hue, and I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So this is the first series of my DurgaPuja lookbook. This is going to be very simple. I am wearing a very simple, like kind of a synthetic sari with this oxidized jewelry with my earrings. Okay, so let's not wait any further and let's get into the video with the tutorial. Also, please subscribe, like, hit the bell notification for any further updates, and also comment about what you like in the video, and also how are you planning to do your Durga Puja looks. Please do share. So I have already done my skincare. So now let's start with the base. This is Mars primer. I'm starting with it. Okay, now I have applied my Mars primer. Then I'm going forward with my e.l.f. concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers because this can easily work as a foundation. It's really it's really good at cancelling my dark spots, the pigmentation I have on my skin, and really helps it. I love it. Next, after the concealer, the next step is always foundation. So next I will be using Lakme foundation. This is a 9 to 5 foundation. Yes, 9 to 5 foundation. This also has primer in it. So if you are somebody who just wants to put on a little bit of foundation and not do a lot of skincare, lot of skin like steps of makeup, sorry, you can definitely opt for this. Then for my blush, I use Swiss Beauty Lip and Cheek palette, and then again a Swiss Beauty contour highlighter blush palette, 3 in 1. Okay, for that something was missing, so I thought of adding some flowers to my hair, and okay, this really does the work. Hair always confuses me. And for this beautiful eye look, I loved this eye look. I was so impressed with myself. This is the most basic kajal you can get because this is very good at smudging. Nowadays the kajals are a bit of waterproof and it really dries. Those kajal just dries too soon. So for that I'm using this only 40 rupees I think kajal this was I bought. So this is it. It's very easily blendable. Again, I'm using a brown and a black eyeshadow. I'm first tapping it on the kajal itself to lock the kajal, and then taking a pretty like a baby pink kind of a color. I'm not good with colors, sorry, even though I'm a girl, but I am not good with colors. So for me it's a baby pink color, and then I'm just building it up with dark pink. That's it. That's what I can say. Sorry for that. And then also I was missing some more definition towards the end of my eyelid, so I added a little bit more of black. Then from this Mars palette I'm using the bright pink shade. Again, my most favorite part is applying kajal on my lower line. I'm doing that, smudging it to give that shadowy effect. It's going to just make your eyes look far better than just leaving your eyes just like that. I'm loving the look. It's my favorite. Then for my lashes, I'm using these Kalalis eyelashes. This, I think without eyelashes, the eyes just look so naked. Sorry for that, but it does. And then I'm using my most favorite, just wearing my all the silver jewelries. They are my favorite. They're my favorite. I love silver jewelries. They just, I don't know what does it does to my skin and my face. I just love it. How can I forget my nose pin for this look? That is perfect. Just look at that look. I'm so happy. Okay. Sometimes what happens now when we are doing that perfect lip, that means especially for the dusky skin girlies, it's very hard to get that proper lipstick which is not going to wash you out, which is not going to look dull on your skin. That would be perfect. This is the real definition of perfect. Just look at that look. One was from Swiss Beauty lip liner category and the other one is from My Glam, and they both pair up to be the best. I love it. I love it. I love it. And dark, just opt for dark colored lippies or dark colored lipsticks or any kind of glosses that should be dark colored, and you'll be good to go. Dark skin girlies, you are amazing. Your skin tone is just amazing. Then I've used a loose powder for Rimmel, And this is it. This is the whole look. Yes, I have I have done the combination from my sari, a bit of that maroon reddish kind of a shade for my lip. I don't know, it just puts everything all together. So look at me, so pretty, hyping myself. Forget to follow me for more such content. Bye bye.